How to turn on sync contacts on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, as you see, you will find a home here like you see. Then you will go to profile, and then you will go here to this three line and go to settings and privacy. Then you will go to privacy and then sync contacts in Facebook friends, and you will turn on this option by clicking here like this and then click open settings. And when your settings open, you will click permission and then click contacts and click allow like this, and it will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.